Hello there. We are here with one more video, on the basics of English grammar. Zuri is with me today. She will talk about types of sentences.
Thank you, dear. Sure, we will talk about types of sentences today. Do you know? Students used to get confused about types of sentences. There is confusion between functions and structure of sentence. Grammarian divides sentences in two categories. One type of sentences is according to functions, and other is type of sentences according to structure.
So, we are going to discuss only types of sentences according to function today. Let's start it.
There are four types of sentences according to function: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. A declarative sentence is also known as an assertive sentence that simply expresses an opinion, or feeling, or makes a statement, or describes things. In other words, it simply announces an idea. This type of sentence ends with a period, or a full stop.
Here are some examples of declarative sentences. I want to be a good cricketer. I am very happy today. He bought a laptop. She is going to college.
The second type of sentence in the English language is the interrogative sentence. These are used to ask questions. You form a question when you want to ask someone something, either to make a request, offer something, get information, or clarification. These sentences always end with a question mark.
Following are example of interrogative sentences. Do you like my house? Can you help me? Have you done your homework? Do you want tea, coffee, or juice? What happened?
The third type of sentence in the English language is the imperative sentence. Imperative sentences issue commands, or requests, or they can express a desire or wish. They are punctuated with a simple period, or they can be exclamations requiring an exclamation mark. It all depends on the strength of emotion you want to express. Exclamatory sentences can consist of a single verb, or they can be more lengthy and complex.
Consider following examples for imperative sentences. Turn off the light. Please cooperate with us. Don't smoke, it is not good for your health. Shut the door, please.
A sentence which expresses strong emotion or feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. It describes emotions or feelings of joy, anger, sorrow, surprise, excitement, frustration, and appreciation. An exclamatory sentence is ended with an exclamation mark.
Following examples are showing sentences with feelings. Hurrah! We won the race. Alas! I lost my purse. What a nice car. Hurrah! I got selected for the job. How nicely they are dancing. Wow! We learned a lot about sentences today. Thank you, Zori.